Two powerful earthquakes have struck Venezuela, triggering panic, widespread damage, and emergency rescue operations across several regions of the country. The earthquake struck just moments apart, sending powerful tremors through the capital, Caracas, and surrounding areas. Witnesses described buildings shaking violently as thousands of residents rushed into the streets seeking safety.
Fuerte temblor, los palos grandes, la castellana.
Videos circulating online show terrified residents fleeing homes, offices, and shopping centers as the ground shook beneath them. In some areas, buildings suffered significant structural damage, while reports of collapsed structures have prompted urgent search and rescue missions.
La carretera, la redoma de Morón.
Emergency responders have been deployed across affected regions as authorities work to assess the scale of the disaster. Hospitals remain on high alert, treating injured victims while rescue crews search through debris for anyone trapped beneath collapsed buildings. The powerful tremors were felt far beyond Venezuela's borders, with residents in neighboring countries also reporting shaking. Seismologists warn that strong aftershocks may continue, increasing the risk of further damage to already weakened structures.
¡Mierda! ¡Mierda! ¡Mira ya, mamahuevo! ¡Mierda! ¡Ya me quetía!
Authorities are urging residents to stay away from damaged buildings, follow emergency instructions, and prepare for possible aftershocks. Temporary shelters are being established for families forced to leave their homes. As rescue operations continue, officials are still working to determine the full extent of the destruction. Casualty figures may rise as emergency teams reach the hardest-hit areas and conduct detailed assessments.
Mira cómo se cayeron todas las paredes del frente. Marico, esto está muy impresionante esto. Ay, Dios mío, la gente. La familia.
Terremoto en La Guaira. No van a venir el ejército, mira, destruida. Destruida, terremoto. Terremoto en La Guaira. Miren, la de Yasmina, la Palmató. Farmacias destruidas. Destruyó todo. Destruyó todo, Arepas Málgares. Destruido. Terremoto que colapsó, papá. Mira, la agencia de moto en Calaguaira. Destruido. Destruido la agencia. Pobre la agencia que estaba ahí adentro. La gente que estuvo dentro de todas estas cosas, la gente menos mal no, porque eso era privado. Vamos. La locura, señores, la locura, la locura.
No, y puede haber réplica y eso.
Edificios, se cayeron edificios, miren cómo está eso, se acaban de caer edificios, todavía está temblando.